Welcome to Integrated Video Training in Case Catalyst. When you click Help, then Integrated Video Training, you'll see that there are videos organized into two categories, Essential Skills and Productivity Boosters. The video lessons in Essential Skills provide basic instruction on transcript production and basic file maintenance. The Productivity Booster lessons contain instructions on additional Case Catalyst features. When you click the plus symbol next to each category, you'll see a folder containing individual lessons. When you click the plus next to each folder, you'll see a list of the lessons. When you click a lesson, a brief description of the lesson contents is shown at the bottom of the Integrated Video Training pane. To view a lesson, simply double-click the lesson title. The lesson will begin to play immediately. If the window showing the video is too small, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the edge of the window. You can also click the full screen button to expand the video to the full screen. If you change your mind and want the video not to fill the full screen, just press Escape. If you wish to pause a video, you can click the pause icon. When you're ready to begin playing again, just click the play button. If you need to adjust the volume, you can hover on the volume adjustment icon and then click and drag to lower or raise the volume level. You can mute the audio by clicking the volume adjustment icon too. If you want to replay a portion or all of the video, you can click and drag the slider on the bottom of the window to the left. If you want to fast forward to another point in the video, you can click and drag the slider to the right. When you're finished watching any of the videos, click the close button in the upper right-hand corner to close the video. Now, notice that when you've finished watching a video, you'll see a filled-in gold star to the left of that video title. This means the video has been watched. An outlined star means you haven't watched that video yet. You can also right-click any video lesson and select Mark that video as viewed or not viewed, or clear the entire viewing history for all lessons. If you're new to transcript production using Case Catalyst, Stenograph recommends that you view each of the Essential Skills videos. At the end of each video, you'll be instructed to practice the techniques demonstrated in the video using the instructions and files provided in the training user. To create a training user, click Help, Create Training User. This will create a new user called Training, followed by your username. For example, if I work in a user called Jane, and I click Help, Create Training User, it will create the Training Jane user. It also immediately positions your cursor in the new training user. To practice, simply click the lesson document and then follow the instructions in that document. When you're finished practicing, close the document by clicking File and then Close. You'll practice in your training user, and you'll work in the user you created when you installed Case Catalyst. To move back and forth from the training user to your working user, you can click the user's level icon, or press Ctrl-U to go up one level until you're at the user's level. Then, select the name of the user where you want to work. If you make errors in your training user and want to restore the original instructions and practice files the way they were before you began using them, just go back into your user, then click Help, Create Training User. You'll receive a message asking you to confirm that you want to delete the existing files. When you click OK, the existing files will be deleted and the training user files will be repopulated with the original, unmodified instructions and practice files. Some users prefer to read instructions instead of, or in addition to, watching a video. You can click Help, Self-Study Guides, Essential Skills Self-Study Guide, to open a document that reviews the step-by-step instructions for each of the Essential Skills video lessons. This document can be printed by pressing Ctrl-P. We hope you find these training resources helpful. If you want information about additional training opportunities, such as one-on-one training with a certified, independent training agent, you can click Help, Stenograph Homepage, then Training and Education. You can also email us at training@stenograph.com.